Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. I have to remember what day it is. I am so off schedule. Well, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas if that's what you celebrate. And I hope you had a great day with your relatives. And I hope if you didn't celebrate Christmas that you had a great day. Well, today we're going to be starting this little project, and I'm calling it Female Opera Performer because all that is just a little bit much. And the color that I'm starting with is 304. It's kind of a dark red. I'm going to flip it. And I got my little girl here. She's the closest thing that I could find that kind of suited everything. So, yeah. Well, we had a lovely time yesterday. I got to play cards with the grandkids while Mom was busy in the kitchen and play cards with my son and my other granddaughter, my middle granddaughter. And, yeah, just had a very lovely, lovely time. And everything turned out, so yay. I came home and took a 2 to almost 3 hour nap. I was just kind of done in. Yeah. So we had about 15 people there. So we had a good amount of people and plenty of room, you know, for everybody. So that was just fun. And I guess my daughter will be taking the next 2 or 3 days off just to recuperate, because she worked her heart out. So, I am telling you. Oh, and before I forget, I do want to thank the person, I'm not going to mention your name, that gave me a super thanks. Thank you so much. I truly do appreciate it. And it acted like it was gonna snow yesterday, but we got like flurries for 10 minutes and it was over. It was kind of cloudy and overcast all day, you know, because it had said, you know, in the afternoon it's gonna snow, maybe an inch. I'm like, okay. So I kind of left a little early. Maybe I got there about 1:30, you know, to see if there's anything I could do to help. But got to play cards with my grandkids, so that was even better. And, you know, we sat and visited, and they told me all the stuff, you know, they got for Christmas, that kind of thing. And, yeah, but no snow, no bad weather. I mean, it was nice outside. Every once in a while I had to take a breather because, you know, that many people in one area, it just kind of does me in, and then I just have to have some air, so go outside. But standing outside, I mean, it wasn't too bad. I could stand out there for a good half an hour. I mean, it wasn't freezing cold, there was no wind, it was lovely. So, yeah. My granddaughter, they have a thing at the school, and it's called Shop with a Cop. So she got to buy Christmas presents for everybody. So I got a diamond painting and a little, you know, it's probably 30 by 30-ish, but it's all special drill. Let me get it. Hang on just a second. Okay. I am back, but it's this beautiful heart, and it has all different colored of the special drills. So yeah, I thought it was gorgeous. Now it's going to have to be flattened out, of course, but no big deal. So yeah, I may do that during Valentine's Day, or Valentine's month, shall we say. But yeah, I just thought it was gorgeous, and she knows how much I love diamond painting. I like, you know, later now, I am liking the special drills. They don't seem to be as overly taxing, as shall we say, as the the regular drills, and they have lots of variety and things to them, so maybe I'll get some more special drill things. But, oh, I forgot to bring it back down. I wanted to pull you out. And she got me a nice fluffy blanket. So, yeah, we are going to be nice and warm this year. I'm going the wrong way. Hello. Some days. Laura, there we go. Back where we were. So, yeah, it was very special. So, I may even talk to my daughter after, let's let time go by, Talk about having a Valentine tea this year, since we didn't get to have a Christmas tea because everybody was sick. So, yeah, maybe we'll work on that at the Valentine tea. I don't know. I'm not making too many plans too far ahead because I'm just relaxing now. So, the big crunch is over, so off we go to doing new things next year. No grand plans, though. There'll probably be new cross stitches involved, but haven't found anything, that's gonna trip my trigger. I did like that great big huge one, but I don't know. I don't know. The one that Lovecraft Forever and Stitcherella, I believe, had. Yeah. So, I got plenty to stitch on. So, I'd like to make more progress on some projects, and others, not real sure about. So, never can tell. And, you just never know what companies are going to come out with, so I'm sure there'll be something to look at and something new to buy, so we'll see. But I just haven't had time to sit down and go through AliExpress. That's usually like a 2 to 3 hour episode, looking through and seeing what I like and what I don't like. And I missed a whole one. There we go. So, yeah. Look forward to new kits and new adventures in cross stitch and beading, because they seem to be coming out with a lot more now. So, yeah. Trying to figure out where the hole was. My goodness gracious. So, yeah, we cut up all she had 2 turkeys and a ham. Oh, my goodness. It was a lot of food. And, all the likely suspects for dinner, And I've got some of that to eat on today and possibly tomorrow. We'll see. I did, when I went to the store, gosh, what day was that? Tuesday? I believe I went Tuesday because I wanted to make sure I had stuff at home, to eat. When I got back, I forgot that it was going to be so late in the evening. I didn't eat a thing, hardly. I brought home a piece of pie, and I took 2 bites out of that, so I'll probably finish that up today because food just wasn't an option. I just was not hungry. Oh, goodness. So, lots to choose from. When I went, I got this stuff to make French dip. And I'm good for that for maybe one day. And then I'll put the rest of the roast beef in the freezer and save it for the next time. I just buy the packaged au jus, because, yeah, making that from scratch ain't happening. Not in my world. And I might have that tonight, just kind of a change of pace, and then finish up on that turkey tomorrow. We'll see. Tomorrow I gotta go do laundry. Oh my goodness gracious. Me, oh my. So, yeah. Don't have any plans for New Year's Eve or anything like that. We are open at the store where I work, both New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, so here we are. See how dark that red is? It's kind of got a little black in it. But I was like, where did those scissors go? And I am using the needles out of the kit just because they were there and I didn't have to go looking. Some days that works out pretty well for me. Whoop, what am I doing here? But this looked like it had a nice long stretch, so I thought I'd just stitch. And when I look at it a little bit more, these light, some of them are very hard to see. Like this one, I'm not sure if that's all one color or not, so I just kind of skip past it. What are we doing here? Talking and trying to stitch. Holy cow. Some days. So did y'all have a good time at Christmas? Hopefully with your family, and you got to go somewhere and do something. And I don't know, I'm kind of past the age of hosting and doing all that cooking. I would definitely need help. So we'll just let the kids deal. For a bit. And when they need my help, they can call me. So I wasn't shocked that my daughter got it done, because she's worked in full-service restaurants, you know, where they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So she did just great. Getting it all put together and getting it out there. I'm proud of her. I'm like, yes. But by the end of the night, I was ready to go home and sit down someplace soft. You know, they have those chairs there, and sitting on them for quite a bit of time was challenging, but I got to get up and walk around. I mean, this place where we had this, they probably had, I'd say there'd been room for 100 people, maybe. You know, but we only were in one area of it. So, and it was a smaller area. It was very nice. And we don't have many venues here in town where you can have that many, or, you know, a group of people, just because that there's not a call for it, I guess. So, very nice. Maybe I'll stitch on this today. But I am taking it easy. For sure. I gotta sort all that stuff I brought back with me and get it back where it needs to go. So we'll see how much of that I get done. And I need to straighten out all the, to make sure I was stitching on the right symbol. You know, the kits are just kind of helter-skelter. I want to kind of gather all the Christmas stuff in one area. So when I do get ready to put them away for the year, they'll all be where they're supposed to be. but not too bad. Did work a little bit. I don't know if it was yesterday or Tuesday. Might have been Tuesday. I worked a little bit on my Great Wall, you know, the big, huge Great Wall in cross stitch. Did that for a bit. I don't think I stitched on anything else. Oh, that Christmas one. Oh, God, I can't remember what it's called. Christmas Day, maybe. And we got one more weekend of December Saturday stitching, which will be Christmas. And then next week, we'll go on to January, which will be, the theme for January will be winter. So we'll see. All right, guys. I'm just going to put that down there. So that's turning out nice. Whoops. Probably help if I pull you down, huh? There you go. But very nice. It's kind of, what do you call it, strips right in there. I'll be excited to get on to the, I guess, border-ish thing right here. And put some more beautiful colors in it. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.